Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia X10, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now before you get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box. And if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip. Straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one, you want to pop out the tray, which is located at the top left side of the phone. There we go, where the pin is holding right now. So push the pin in, the tray should pop out just a little bit, enough for you to pull it out using your fingernail. Now on the tray you have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM and one SD card. If you're planning to use dual SIM, just place one of the SIM cards sideways on the SD tray, like I'm trying to do right now. There we go. So it'll go like this. But I'm going to be using one of each, so I'm going to move it over. There we go. And occupy the SD tray with, well, SD card. So from there, insert it back into your phone, and the card, both of the cards should start working right away. So it already detects SD card and I just got reception, so there we go, both of them are working just fine. So that is how you insert your SIM and SD card into this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.